Hello everyone, welcome to my channel urmisheduworld.com, and today I'm going to show you how we can read a JSON file in Python. For this, we need to import the very important library in Python, that is pandas. Why pandas? Because it helps you in data manipulation, in creating a plots, or even you want to work anything with your data, read, write, anything you want, or even data cleansing, working with missing data or the outliers, anything you want to treat your whole data. Pandas is the most important library. So here as well, while reading the file, you need to import pandas. So I'm writing here, well, pandas, so import pandas, and for simplicity I'm just mentioning the pd as a alias name. I'm just referring the pandas as pd. And after this, I'm also going to import the OS. And why OS? Because it helps you whenever you work with your file, whether you read, write, or you append a file, or even you want to save a file, close the file, open a file, or even want to set a directory or change a directory. OS is always helpful. So import an OS is that's how it is really helpful. So here I'm just setting up my directory. So os dot, using this chdir, that is a change directory, and within this parenthesis I'm going to pass the location where I want to set my directory, and where from where I want to pull my data as well. So this is the file, JSON file gadgets, and um, I want to read this file. For this, I'll also set up the directory here in the same location. So I'll take the location of this whole file, that is in within my this folder. So I'll mention here the same path. I'll just set the path. Also add the double slash for in between, so without any error, this is gonna run. So yeah, with the double slash, I'm going to run first this cell. This is successful. So now let's move on to the next step, that is to import a file. To import a file in pandas, there is a function that is called the readjson. I'm mentioning this in the comment just for your understanding. So as this in pandas, whatever the data you want to read, you have to make sure you create a data frame. So for this, I'll call pd, and from the pd I will call this read json and pass the file name for which. So here the file name is gadgets. So I'll write in the double quotes just the gadgets, because as we have already set up the directory, if we haven't changed the directory, then we have to pass this whole path, and after this double slash of after this python, you have to mention gadgets.json. So here I'm just, as we have already set up, so I'll mention just gadgets.json, and I need to assign any kind of a name for where this file has to be stored. So I'm just giving df. df is equal to pd dot read json. So whatever the file is read, it should be stored in the df. So let's run this cell. Yeah, this is also run successfully without any error. Now let's see what exactly this file is. So I'll write here df. Yeah, this is how. So this, we can say the product is, these are the products, the price and the name and the age. This is how the gadget.json is this. If you want to give an orientation, that instead of having the name out here, you want to have the index number, then you can also mention orient is equal to index, and that index has to be in double in quotes. So let's run this cell again and read this file. So this is how the difference is. So instead of this, it's now in the form of index number, and the rows have showing the product price and age. The best method is not this. The method that works best is, as we want the column name and their respective, these are the rows, that 1 2 3, that is 4 rows and 4 columns here. So if you really like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, thank you so much.